A subway train left a station without an operator and blew through several stops. Passengers were on board that train. Rail workers.
In 2015, one of our Red Line trains left the station without a driver. Some people call that a felony. We called it an epiphany.
The cost savings was immediately apparent to us. If we simply removed all our drivers, operating costs would drop by 95%. Starting Monday, all MBTA vehicles will be fully unstaffed.
It costs a lot to keep the oldest transit system in the country working, especially since each of our employees makes like $1 million a year in overtime alone. Not anymore. We'll simply use the twist ties from loaves of bread to tie back the throttles on each train. Then we'll let them rip.
T fares will drop to 1,800 levels and the Green Line extension will finally happen. All that, plus passengers will lose weight by leaping on and off moving trains.
Welcome to your new, improved, and completely driverless MBTA.
No one's driving and the T is thriving.